Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm. I'm in the field in the family garden part, and I want to show you how to take apart the aquifer wobbler. You know, these things really don't get clogged very easily, so you have to have something pretty big because there's a pretty big nozzle on it. But if you look right in here, this part just unscrews. Once I get it loose, I can usually get it with my hand. Okay, so that's separate and that's separate. And that's the nozzle in there, right? I can see there's a little something in there. Right, but that nozzle comes off, but you don't even need to take the nozzle off, right? What I do is I just smack it against the side. If that doesn't work, then just use a stick or something to just kind of push it and dislodge whatever's in there. But the thing is, for something to be in here, it's got to be pretty big because the nozzle itself is like 1/8 of an inch. And usually in plumbing, you don't have stuff floating around that's 1/8 of an inch big. But if the wobbler's not working right, that's most likely what it's going to be. Because a wobbler is an incredibly simple thing. There's a pipe, there's a nozzle, and then this thing that rotates. So if it's not working right, it's probably clogged or you don't have enough water. That's really it. That's what I love about them so much, is their simplicity. They just work, you know? Once in a while I'll have something in it. It's usually like a slight piece of rust from the hydrant, because the hydrant is made out of steel, so there might be a light piece of rust in there. I no longer have sand in there. I used to have sand on my old well. No longer. But usually small sand will just shoot right through it. Okay, so that'll work perfectly now.